In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the egg from the skateboard of hell obby in Roblox for the Hatch event. So yeah, so basically what you need to do is you're going to need to get past stage 10. So just come with me for a ride to get past stage 10. And yeah, like it's pretty easy. All you need to do is get back to stage 10. Okay. On stage 2 already. Stage 3. What does this do? Ah, little button. Oh, oh crap. Oh, I didn't even know how to gravity coil it. Oh, never mind. Stage 4. Stage 5. Stage 6, I think. Stage 7. God. Oh, that's close. No. Damn. Got to do this quick. As you can see, I'm almost at the egg at the top. It's the last stage. And boom. Look, the hatch. I got the egg, as you can see on my screen. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.